Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm gonna show you how you can implement the latest multiplex ads for Google AdSense, and that's quite simple. Just open your AdSense dashboard, head over to ads and click on overview, then click on by ad unit, and now here you can see multiplex ads, and click on multiplex ad. And here you can see this should be look like this, like table outbrain ads, and it's basically rebrand of matched content ads, and this is how this should look on your cell phones. So you can create a responsive ad unit, which I will recommend, and name your ad unit and hit create. That's it. And after that you will see the multiplex ad unit, the name you did, and click on the ad units ad code and implement that ad in your website. And I recommend to follow the post in description how and where to implement to get higher CPCs and better user engagement. For this you can check out the link in description below. Peace for now.